Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you the recipe for our spice mix which we use in most of our Goan meat recipes. It's a handy powder which adds that extra bit of flavor in all our Goan meat dishes. Our recipe for today is our favorite Goan Spice Powder. Step 1. Preparing the spices. Take 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 4 tablespoons of cinnamon sticks broken into small pieces, 4 tablespoons of cumin or jeera seeds, 12 cardamoms or elaichi, Step 2. Roasting the spices. Place a wide open, heavy bottom pan on very low heat. Once the pan is hot, add cumin seeds and stir for half a minute. Add black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon sticks, cardamoms and stir. Dry roast the spices until you get a nice aroma, which should take around 3 minutes. Be careful not to burn the spices or else your powder will taste bitter. Roasting the spices helps in releasing the essential oils in the spices and enhances the aroma, flavors and fragrance of the spice, which can be felt in the whole house. Roasting the spices helps in reducing the moisture, making the spices crispy and easy to grind. It also helps in increasing the shelf life of the Goan Spice Powder. Once it is done, turn off the heat. Spread the spices in a plate and let it cool down.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Remove the outer shell of the cardamoms and use only the inside seeds. Step 3. Grinding the spices. Once the roasted spices have cooled down, add them in a dry mixer grinder. Grind it to a fine powder. Ground spice powder is ready. If you want, you can pass this powder through a sieve. Let it cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. Even if you have ground a masala for a meat recipe, you can add little bit of this spice powder in the gravy at the very end after you have tasted the dish. It will definitely enhance the overall flavor and taste of the dish. Goan Spice Powder is ready. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comments section. Do let us know if you like this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.